Our task for today is to recapture this bougainvillea bonsai of mine because this was just taken for granted for a long time. So the result is that the roots find its course deep into the ground, and this grew tall and very lushy and no flowers. But it was just trimmed last month. So ito nga ang sabi ko sa una kong video na itong na may title na paano magpabulaklak ng bougainvillea, ay dapat iangat siya sa lupa, lalo na kung nakabonsai, para hindi tawag dito, hindi lalaki at tataba lang ng tataba, at ang kanyang mga ugat ay hindi pupunta sa ilalim ng lupa o hindi tutusok ng malalim sa lupa. Hello my friends! Welcome to my channel. For those who do not know me yet, I am Donabella. And I would like to greet my fellow Guimarães-non, my fellow Ilonggos, and all Filipinos around the world, and also all people around the world. And today, we are going to recapture this bougainvillea bonsai of mine, which was taken for granted for a long time. So the result is that the roots find its course under the ground, and this grows so big and tall and was just trimmed last month. So kindly focus the camera here. Okay, so this was trimmed last month, and now it's time to dig this up and put in a pot for bonsai. So I will show you. Kindly watch, and I'm sure you will enjoy. Okay, as you see, this was planted in a what's this? In a plastic container for the meantime supposedly, because I planned before that this will be transferred on a bonsai pot. So now we are going to start. By the way, since this is very hard to be to dig, I will only use a bolo and cut the roots. Okay, I will discontinue cutting because I realized just for this second or for this moment that this formation of the root, it will still be a beauty of a bonsai. So I will get I think I need to get something big tool like tagad in our Ilonggo language to dig this up. So stay put, I'll get for a while. Now I will use this tagad. Just watch me. Okay, I will start now. Okay, so this is how it looks like now. We'll check if how many major stems. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is okay. According to feng shui, it should be, or also a little bit believe in it, that it should be odd number when it comes to the number of stems, the number of stalks. Okay, so we will put a little topping of sawdust because sawdust is also rich in phosphorus, which also an element needed by the bougainvillea. I used this old basin because it's already damaged and has so many holes. So I thought of making as a pot. Then for now, uh, we will just leave this without any painting or any decors or like stone or other small plants. Later I will improve this and I will update you on my next video. So we will put this here under this baluster bamboo in this cool place so that it will grow again. Okay, we will water this very well so that it will be able to recover. Recover as soon as possible, because after recovering we will transfer to the full sunlight portion of this garden of mine. Okay, this is enough. Okay, so this is all for now. Thanks for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe, comment, share, and like my video. I hope you enjoy our work for today, or my demonstration for today. So God bless, take care, and see you on my next video. Bye bye.